Welcome to Tech Tips with Vickers. Today we are going to make a poster in Google Slides. So here we are in Google Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, you're going to go over to the New button, and we are going to select Google Slides. Google Slides allows for a lot of creativity, and it will also allow us to edit this. So first, let's give it a name. How to make a poster with slides. Hit enter. Now I'm going to go to File. Let's change the size of this poster. I know that the paper that I'm going to use is 18 by 24, so we're going to go to Custom, and we're going to change this. And I'm not sure if the first one's the width or not. Let's check it out. File again, page setup, and change these to 18 by 24, depending on what your paper is. So let's go ahead and make this a clean slate. We're going to delete these two boxes. And now I'm ready. Just like all the other Google tools, we have the layout we can choose from to give it a template. Again, I'd like this one to be blank. So I'm going to go to Insert, and let's start with an image. Let's look for something nice, something summery. Sebago Lake. Ooh, I like this picture right here. Use the crop dots, make it larger, make sure it's centered up. I think this is too bright, so I'm going to use the format options. Let's close out our search bar. Format options, adjustment. Let's make this transparent, somewhat like a watermark. That's not bad. Let's go ahead and insert a text box. Type in Sebago Lake. I'm going to highlight it, change my font type, and I'm also going to make it larger. There we go. And I'm going to find my alignment tool, center it up. The black doesn't look so great. Let's change the color. All right, let's get some more items added on to here. We'll go ahead and close that out. Insert. Let's add an arrow. Show you where I would like to be. So I draw my arrow, move it around a little bit. This little dot will let me change the angle. Move it into place. Now we're going to change the color. Here are my different choices. We'll just choose a solid color for this one. Now I'm going to add another text box so I can label it. Going to highlight it up, change the font, change the size, adjust the box so that it's one line, and move it into place so that it's able to be read. Diagram. I know that a diagram is something that is needed very often on a poster. You have different choices to choose from. Once you find one that you like, double click, it'll insert it in. You can then move each of the items around and personalize them. Right, so I'm going to use the undo button here, and I'm going to go ahead and delete the diagram because it does not fit for my poster. But there's where your choices are. I would like to show you one more interesting piece that you may not be aware of, called the Word Art tool. So let's go to Insert. Let's find Word Art. I'm going to type in something here so that we have some text. Oh, I love summer. I hit enter. You'll see it's in a text box, centered up. I can adjust the size, center it up a little bit. Find my format options. Then I can change color. I can change transparency, angle, distance. This is the shadow. Notice that I Love Summer now has a shadow to make it look a little different. All right, so that's a quick overview on how to make a poster with slides. Thanks for watching today's Tech Tip with Vickers. Have a great day.